Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Vladislav Zhabin. I am one of the team leaders at the GFE Solutions.
Could you tell me more about GFE Solutions?
Of course, GFE Solutions is an engineering company that has been providing services at the European marketing for over 6 years already. Yeah. We provide a wide range of the engineering services, such as design steel structure of any complexity, CNC programming, all kinds of calculations, and of course the mechanical engineering.
In order to provide such a wide range of services, you must have a really strong team.
Yes, our team is our main resource. All our employees are highly qualified, they have a strong engineering background. Also, we have a specialist, all of the most used engineering system, such as Inventor, Creo Parametric, SolidWorks, and AutoCAD.
Could you describe what you personally do as a team leader?
So, as a team leader, my main role is to be that connection link between the customer and my engineering team, to find that individual approach to each customer to help them to achieve their goals.
So, you have individual approach to every customer.
Of course, you're totally right. This is the essence of our philosophy. Before moving on to the practical part of the engineering, we carefully study all technological and production processes of our customers, so at the end of the day we can provide the same standards and the same quality as their own employees.
Can you give examples of companies that you cooperate with as a team leader?
At that moment, all of the companies that I'm personally cooperate with are Germany-based manufacturing companies, such as Zikan is the company which product cleaning and sorting machines for the industrial waste. Also Schawenburg, this is the company which product machines for the mining industry. And of course Schlebach, one of the world leaders in the production of the rolling forming machines.
What do you think are your advantages over other companies on the market that provide similar services?
As I already said, our strongest asset is our team, which by the way is multinational. We have guys from Ukraine, Poland, India, Ecuador, and also Italy. We all have experience in different fields, and we are ready to learn and provide our services quickly and efficiently.